Hi everyone, welcome to whyamigreen.com. I've been getting a lot of viewers recently asking me to give you an update of our newest mini aquaponic system built with 5-gallon water jugs. So it's been up and running now for probably a few months. And the fish here in the bottom jug have been doing their work and fertilizing the water. And let's go ahead and see what's happening. As they're fertilizing the water, you see that pump there in the back? It's actually pumping water up, up, up. Going up here, it's sunny out back, so I don't know how much you're going to be able to see, into the top bucket. Let's back up a little. And it's fertilizing the top, and this up here is mini pak choi or pak choi. It's a vegetable, one of the few that I actually like eating. And you can see in the top there's my bell siphon. About every 45 minutes, the water gets pumped up to the top of the bell siphon and then waters the plants and drains back down through the fish, who seem to be very excited to see us. So since they're so excited, I'm going to go ahead and give them a little food. So let me show you what it looks like from the side here. And it's made with two 5-gallon water jugs, as you can see. And the frame is made out of PVC. And let's go ahead and show you the back. Coming around here. And as you can see at the bottom, I have it painted black, kind of coming up over here, so the back side that faces the window or the sun doesn't get algae. And the top, I have pretty much the whole bottom where water would be in the pellets there, painted black also. I haven't had any trouble at all with algae in the top or the bottom, but since it's an update, I have had some algae right over here in the neck. And knowing that, next time what I'm going to do is paint the back of here, the neck, black, and that'll eliminate that problem. I wanted to leave it open right around, all the way around, because sometimes the fish swim in it and it's kind of neat to see them. So that's the whole system. Hope you like it. If you're interested in building your own, go to our site at whyamigreen.com, and over there I have the free plans, detailed plans showing you how I made this one, how you can build your own. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.